Alright, we're back at 3902 Nelson. We've got the toilet pulled again. This line had, we looked at the sewer before, but it had a blockage of roots. It has hopefully been cleared. The drain cleaners were here and said that they had a pretty good time of it. I don't remember if we had to get fancy to get through this one. Alright, we're going to pause here. We might have needed twine to get through this one. We will find out. Alright, so we're through the first part. Let's see if we can get through the second part. Alright, so we're into the cast iron underneath the house, which, as we said in the last inspection, looks just fine. Just playing with the lights, see if we can get a little less glare on that left side. But apparently the answer is no. Alright, that's good. That's our transition out to the city. No, I don't mean city, I'm sorry. That's just the clay tile. And it looks good. It was blocked before. You can get a little flow of water going. Help us keep our limbs rinsed, but that big old root is gone. Got some hairline cracking here at 37 feet. These are not really affecting the function of the sewer. They haven't moved at all. They may be losing a touch of water because the crack does extend to the bottom. But as far as function goes, it's not affecting function at all and is not likely to get worse anytime soon. But it is visually obvious. So it's easy to spot and could be raised on subsequent inspections. Well, we got a serious film of something on here, but our water's taking its time getting to us. There it goes, finally. We're just going to push on, and hopefully the city sewer's got some more water in it. I can still see, but little minor hints of roots here and there. A little bit flat out here. Hopefully we got a little bit of roots that maybe were left behind. Nope, that's just a little natural dip. The good news is it's only about 3 feet long. And it's no more than 2 inches deep. That's not enough to cause major problems unless you're abusing the sewer. It's not even 3 feet long. It's only about 1.5 feet long. Huh. It's cast iron out here in the street by the tap, which is interesting. And now we're back into another section of clay tile, which is interesting. And there's our city sewer, which, by the way, has been relined. And this does mean that they're completely happy with the tap. What we can see of it, we're very happy with the tap. We don't have any concerns there, which is good. That's your most expensive potential repair. So what we have in here is maybe a couple of little hairline cracks that are visually kind of obvious, but as far as function goes, they're not hurting anything. Kind of interesting that you have that short stretch of cast iron out there in the street, but it's in decent shape, so not really a big deal. You have this little belly here. You do see that when water's running, it's about 2 inches deep. but that's still not deep enough to cause us to get too uptight. Whatever that thing hanging down was loose, and we now knocked it loose. So it's got some minor flaws, but as long as you treat this like a clay tile sewer should be treated, and that is limit your grease, no paper towels, no wipies, no feminine hygiene products, none of that kind of stuff, and it should be just fine. You will have to have it cable cleaned every couple years just to make sure those roots don't grow back, but that is normal for a clay tile sewer. Right there at 37 is our little hairline cracks. Do not expect that to be any kind of a repair issue in the near future. And we're back inside the house into the cast iron. They did a very good job of getting that one clean from a roof vent access. Alright, so that's our sewer. So we will stop right there.